Elon Musk's Optimus robot will replace humans, and Tesla's $25 trillion valuation. What? Let's get into it. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much once again for stopping by. Today we're going to be talking about Elon Musk's Optimus robot, along with some other great information that he talked about in a all-in summit. Now, there was a lot of topics that he touched on, and I want to get into a few of them, but one that's really important to me is a topic about Optimus robot and how I have said in the past, over the last couple of years now, that Tesla is not really a company about cars. It is a company that is about robotics. And it's kind of what he just said. So I want to get into this a little bit with you because I think it's very important. And the valuation on Tesla is just, it's definitely awe-inspiring. It is amazing to me. And if this actually holds water, anyone that's into Tesla will probably be pretty well off in the not so distant future. So before we jump into these couple of articles that I kind of thrown together for you, it's a little bit longer than normal, but I want to go through it because there's a lot of really, really good information that he spoke about. And I haven't seen a lot of the information in other videos, so I figured, you know what, I'm just going to throw it all in there. And you be the judge of what is important and what isn't. Before we jump into this, I want to say that if you enjoy the content, like I always say, throw the video a thumbs up. That'd be very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have, thank you. I appreciate that. Click this little notification button over here so when I go live, when a new video comes out, you will be notified of it immediately. And please share the video and the channel with your friends, family, colleagues, Reddit, Facebook, wherever you traverse the web, whatever socials you're on. I would really appreciate that also. And if you would like to take a look at 560 plus videos I've put together for you about SpaceX Starlink, I'll put a link here. Don't click on it yet. I'll put a link here. Check them out. There's a lot of helpful how-tos, tips, tricks, what to do, what not to do, what to buy, what not to buy, and of course the why behind all of it, because this channel is about what? The why. Always the why. And finally, if you want to just give back to the channel, there's a little button down there. Click on that. It says thanks. Thank you. If you click on that, you could give $1 or $2 if you like. If not, it's perfectly fine. The video is still free regardless, but I would rather, or hope, that you would become a member of the channel. That would be even better. So let's get into this article, and then once again, I'll give you my commentary. And then after, I want to hear from you down below. If you don't want to put anything down there, put an emoji. I'm okay with that. At least I know that you actually listened to the video or watched the video or whatever the heck you do with the video. Put something down here. Anyway, it starts out by saying, Elon Musk's bold vision, revolutionizing humanity with Optimus robots. In an interview at the All-In Summit, Elon Musk unveiled groundbreaking updates on Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot, positioning it as a game changer in technology. He announced that Tesla is finalizing the design of Optimus version 3, which will boast human-like manual dexterity through a complex hand design and an advanced AI mind capable of comprehending reality. Really cool stuff. Musk emphasizes challenges of building a supply chain from scratch, but predicts high volume production, with costs dropping to $20,000 to $25,000 per unit at 1 million units annually. Man, that's amazing. Strikingly, he claims that Optimus could become, quote, the biggest product ever, potentially accounting for 80% of Tesla's future value. God, that's a lot. Shifting the company's focus towards AI and robotics in its latest Master Plan 4. If you don't know what that is, it's kind of like a roadmap for Tesla. Where are they going? How are they making money? And they're making a lot of it, especially in the future, according to what Elon is saying here. AI breakthroughs, cars that feel sentient, and supercharged chips. Musk delved into Tesla's AI advancements, highlighting the next generation AI5 chipset, which promises 40 times the improvement over AI4, with 9 times more memory and 8 times more computing power. That is a lot. That is a nice chip that's coming. He expressed confidence that the current AI4 chip could achieve 2 to 3 times better self-driving safety than humans, making the vehicle feel sentient. This is word, sentient. This is what he keeps saying. Tesla has pivoted from its Dojo supercomputer program, securing a $16.5 billion deal with Samsung for AI-6 chipsets. On the XAI front, Musk reveals ongoing training of Grok to enhance accuracy, including features to rewrite information with corrections, sparking ideas for a Grokopedia, a Grok-enhanced Wikipedia. That would be kind of cool. Starlink's mobile revolution, smartphones that connect anywhere. Following SpaceX's $17 billion acquisition of spectrum license from EchoStar, actually I just did a video about that yesterday. I'll put a link over here. Check it out. Really interesting information. Musk teased Starlink-enabled smartphones requiring hardware changes to connect with specific frequencies. Now, I didn't get into that. This is really good information. That means that he's going to be using specific frequencies, maybe for faster speeds or maybe for penetration. I really don't know. But that means that smartphone manufacturers are going to have to rethink their smartphones or maybe put in different send and receive modules, antennas or whatnot, to be able to use SpaceX Starlink or maybe be compliant with SpaceX Starlink. I don't know. He noted collaboration with smartphone companies and the development of dedicated satellites for seamless connectivity. In additional insight, Musk projected a launch in 2 years, enabling high bandwidth global access, including HD video streaming with potential acquisitions like Verizon to integrate service and eliminate roaming needs. What? By Verizon? I don't even know anymore. Crazy. Users could manage a single SpaceX Starlink account for home Wi-Fi and mobile, transforming telecommunications worldwide. That is a fact. Why Tesla's Optimus robot could become the biggest product in history. According to Elon Musk, Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot has the potential of becoming the, quote, biggest product ever, due to its transformative capabilities in addressing global labor shortages and revolutionizing daily life, far surpassing even Tesla's autonomous vehicles in economic impact. That's definitely the case. Musk envisions Optimus as a versatile AI-powered companion that can perform any human task with superior dexterity and intelligence, leveraging Tesla's self-driving neural networks to enable seamless adaptation to real-world environments, which could make it indispensable in homes, factories, and beyond. He argues that its scalability aims for mass production at costs as low as $20,000 to $30,000 per unit, combining it with a near infinite demand from billions of potential users could propel Tesla's market cap to $25 trillion or more, accounting for over 80% of the company's future value as it shifts focus from cars to robotics in its master plan. This bold claim stems from Optimus's ability to boost productivity exponentially, solve demographic challenges like aging populations, and create a new era of abundance by automating mundane or dangerous jobs, ultimately making it bigger than any prior innovation in history, including the smartphone or even the internet. Unveiling secrets, Optimus's version 3 sublime design awaits reveal. Musk confirms that Tesla has never publicly shown Optimus version 3 design, describing it as sublime and tied to his 2025 pay package goal of delivering 1 million units. This underscores Tesla's aggressive push into robotics, blending AI innovation with practical application that could redefine daily life and industry. Absolutely the case. This is incredible to me because if you remember like a year plus ago, I said, Tesla is not a car company, folks. Tesla is a robotics company. The Tesla car is the most advanced robot on the planet. It's just the robot has tires instead of legs and feet. That's just the way it is. Now with the Optimus robot going to be using all of the same or much of the same complex AI, it's just going to be more advanced because now it's going to be humanoid. It's going to be able to do things, tasks that we do, and it's most likely going to be able to do them better, faster, safer. This is massive. This is a really, really big thing. And I don't know if everyone understands that valuation of $25 trillion. I mean, that number would make it the most valuable company in the world. I mean, it is just insane. And like I said before, I mean, if you own Tesla right now, I mean, you're probably going to be doing pretty good if even half of what Elon Musk is talking about here actually comes to fruition. So I don't know. The idea also that they will be combining the robotic AI and the Neuralink information is really quite amazing. Also, if you don't know what Neuralink is, it's another one of his companies where they implant a chip into your brain and they help people that have problems with either neurological problems, maybe physical problems. Eventually, they'll be able to have people walking and seeing. Now, one of the things I was thinking about that wasn't in this article is they didn't really dive into the reason why Elon Musk was putting that $16.5 billion into Samsung. Why is he buying these chips? Why is the AI6 coming out? Why is it once again coming in from Samsung with that $16.5 billion investment? The reason being is quantum computing. The same reason why SpaceX Starlink has been doing this for quite some time. It's so you can take a computer or a system and now make it resistant to the quantum computers of the future. The thing is the future is kind of months away at this point. It's not distant future, it's in the not so distant future. And having something that is post-quantum resistant to its cryptography, let's say, so it doesn't get hacked, is very, very important. So that's why they're making those chips now. $16.5 billion is nothing to sneeze at. That is a lot. That means that he really expects to sell millions of Optimus robots. If not, you wouldn't invest in that many of these AI6 chips, right? Right. The other thing that I really liked about this is the idea that xAI's Grok is going to start doing corrections on the fly. I love this. I think this is great. Some people are going to be like, well, why is Grok right? And why is Perplexity or why is Chat GPT not right? It's not really about that. It's more about where does the rightness come from? Does it come from the right or does it come from the left? Or does it come from something down the middle? And the problem is a lot of these AI models are very, let's say, heavy in one direction, either pulling you left or pulling you right. And what Grok has been said to do and has been doing for quite some time is staying very neutral down the middle. And they were talking about that whole Wikipedia thing. I think that's great, having a Grokopedia, and you actually have good information instead of what we see now in Wikipedia that's just pretty much trash. It got worse and worse and worse over the last like 5 to 10 years. If you guys have been around for some time, you know what I'm talking about. So there's a lot of really good stuff in this. And I really thought that bringing this to your attention at least gives you an idea of what Elon's vision is. And yes, Elon wants to get to Mars. He does in his lifetime. But as or equally important to him is xAI. And having an AI that's powerful enough to compete against the other AIs out there, having something strong or secure enough to not get hacked into. And lastly, taking Tesla in a different direction. Taking Tesla from being a car manufacturer into a robotics manufacturer. And that is what's going to happen. If people know it or they don't know it, hopefully at this point, after you heard this, you get an idea of that direction and how Tesla is not a car company. It's the most advanced robot company on the planet. And it's going to continue being that. But a lot of the robots that will be produced by Tesla will have legs and feet and not just tires, which is really, really incredible to me. I always tell my wife, I want to have an Optimus robot in the house. She says, no, put it in your studio. You're not going to put one in the house. Did you watch the Will Smith movie? Anyways, guys, I hope you found this interesting. I know I did. If you have, throw the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, like I said before. And finally, head over to my website, JCristina.com/shop. Once again, JCristina.com/shop. Take a look at some of my merch. If there's something there that you like, please pick it up. Help support me and my family. Many blessings to you and your family. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay connected, hopefully through SpaceX Starlink and maybe one of the Tesla robots. Optimus. I won't. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.